And this might be the last one that we do on YouTube, because we'll be moving these to Google, where we have the ability to raise your hand and then also record those episodes, and then we can edit out the new business segment and put it live on the internet so that you guys can learn about more things in the industry. So, any questions, all four of you? Probably not. And then after that, the next thing that you do after announcements is you entertain a motion to adjourn. So I'd entertain and second that motion to adjourn, which wraps up our first office hours. If anybody is just joining us now, I'm going to go over the collateral-based software one more time, and then we can wrap it up. If there are any questions that you have, please email me at tom@collateralbase.com so that you can move forward and retain the firm, and we can start working toward your business goals. Let's now dive into it and take a look around. So this is when you're looking at a particular matter that you're working on. The contract's not yet done. You know, you're not quite ready to send it out for signature.
All right,
but maybe
step
you get it to a
67.
point, you're like, all right, this is what we want the deal to be. Send it to the guy to review it. And then when you send it to me to review it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit you back with an email and say, hey, okay, I got that. Let's book some time together. Let's sit down and talk about it.
One extra piece left out of bag 2. It's a small one.
Files.
But now we're back on the bag 3. So y'all know what we got to do. We got to check videos to make sure we still got more content to be reviewing, because, you know, we've been going at it.
They will go into the application folder. If it's going to be structuring and organizing your LLCs, we put that in your corporate docs folder. If this is going to be real estate development, there would be a folder in there marked real estate development.
Well, it looks like we're down to the last about, what, 9-10 minutes of this, and then about, oh, the outro. So yeah, we can wrap this up for tonight, because you know, our lawyer gonna take us out of here. Then DJ is gonna pop up, and I'll get to looking at what's gonna go on bag 3.
And then trademarks and IPs, same thing. We put that in there. If there's a particular piece of litigation, perhaps, we could also put that in your area. Now, one of the nice things is you can go to templates. You can create one. So you can create your own document in here with matters. That's, you know, the ones that we've already talked about. With dashboard, one of the things that I like is you can create a matter from scratch. Just by, let's say, you are already operating and you have a question about something with your current contract. Maybe you want me to help polish it up or give it some more teeth or see what I think about it where it might have some holes or some liability. You just upload it right in there, and then you schedule a talk with me. And then I'd say, would you like this to be turned into a form so that you could use it again and again and again? Or what are you trying to account? What's your user workflow currently? How do you send out this contract? All types of stuff like that. And then we come up with a plan so that you can run your business a little bit more effectively and be more protected in case something goes wrong. We do have a question. Are there certain tax documents that you need to provide to the investors and file with the IRS each tax year once you have investors? And then how do you document with the SEC? Do you file that every year? No, you don't file. Okay.
So anyway, bag 3 on our Lego set. It's going to be this area. So we'll have 3 rebels, the 2 stormtroopers, and another piece of the scenery done out on bag 3. And it says bag 4 starts on page 93, and bag 3 started on page 76. So it's like less than 18 pages on bag 3. So hopefully this weekend it won't take too damn long. Shouts out to these long ass videos. Yeah, I like it though. I like it. Putting in that homework. Hell, we ain't using cheat codes over here. Spider Pig get all the cheat codes. We just put in the work over here and let you see it.